Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to TCA. Today we are going to discuss an important topic regarding the Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector examination in the Telangana State Public Service Commission. Due to the number of responses received from the candidates from the Telangana state, I am here to reply with you the subject that we are going to take a video on the preparation guidance for the AMVI examination Telangana Public State Service Commission. Before that, I am going to declare you that we should be thorough with some procedure before starting to the examination. So I am here to request you that please collect your syllabus, collect your exam pattern, and in the next video we will be discussing on the exam strategy, study pattern, then practice, mock test, all the things which are necessary to crack the examination. But today we are here to discuss the primary things before starting for the examination. So first things first, I request all of you, before going to the preparation of any examination, today's title is how to prepare, and next will be on how to crack the AMVI examination of the TSPSC. But today I am going to tell you one thing, that you should keep with you the syllabus of Telangana State Public Service Commission's Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector examination. Before going to the syllabus, we must be thorough with the exam pattern and stages of the examination. According to my observation, the AMVI TSPSC examination was conducted in the year 2015, and then two stages of the examinations were there. First one was the written, in which MCQ type of question were asked, part 1 and part 2, and second one was the interview, that is personality test, sorry. So we are going to deal with the written MCQ test because the weightage of this test is more, and if there are any changes in the pattern of examination, it will be displayed by your Public Service Commission board before the examination through an advertisement. But up till now, we have to stick with the old advertisement because we do not have any base for the preparation of the AMVI. Since I am the qualifier of Maharashtra Public Service Commission AMVI Mains Examination 2017, I have certain kind of experiences while dealing with the preparation of this AMVI. First thing, this is a technical exam. Most questions are from the technical faculty. Mechanical engineering's core subject have the high weightage in this examination. So our more focus will be on the mechanical subjects. And if there are any other subjects like GS, history, geography, polity, economy, current affairs, then you should make the different strategy for that. According to me, there are two parts. According to my observation, first part one is of I think 150 mark, it is for GS, and second part is for the mechanical, because I have gone through the syllabus which was sent by a candidate to me. Another thing, you should know the exam pattern, we have discussed about it. Then come to the syllabus, take out the syllabus, print out. You should keep the hard copies because it is more convenient to prepare with the hard copies rather than the soft copies, because it is more hectic to sit over the screen more at times. So that's why hard copy is better while doing the preparation. So I am telling these things because before our next video on the how to crack AMVI examination using CIP technique, and we are going to deal with the CIP technique also. It's a unique technique and innovation of TCA, that is Tulzai Career Academy, Tuljapur. So also my one request is please subscribe our channel to get important videos regarding the AMVI and other examinations. So first thing, you should know about the exam stages, then exam pattern, and the third thing, you should keep the hard copy of syllabus. And fourth thing important, please take the printout of the previous year question papers. These all four things are nothing but the mentors in the life of an aspirant of the examination. Nothing like these four things come to an aspirant in your life. If you join the coaching, then they will teach you these things firstly. If you join any college, if you take any book, you have to do these things compulsory on your side. Please do not do your preparation on others' hard work. You have to do some on your side because it's most necessary. If you do it on your side, now you get perfect in that area, and once you get perfection, no person is going to stop you from cracking the examination. So my humble request to all, please collect these four things. Exam pattern, I told you. The next thing is that you should have a bunch of previous year question paper, hard copy of the syllabus, and exam pattern. These four things should be thorough. You should make a file for these hard copies, and then we can discuss the other things. Other things come after this, that book list. What is the book list for the syllabus, study material, then study plan, how should we study plan, how should we start preparation, how should we undergo the preparation, then the revision, practice, mock test, all these things are collectively called the preparation of the examination. One misunderstanding between the aspirants of the all kinds of examination is that they do just the study. They do just study. Study is important, but not at all sufficient. Do not make confused or do not get confused between necessity and sufficiency. Okay, necessity is different thing and sufficiency is different thing. Suppose one thing might be necessary, but not necessary that it is sufficient for that examination. Suppose one book is there, one book is necessary for that examination, but not at all it is sufficient na. So you have to differentiate between necessity and sufficiency, keep a proper balance between these things. One more thing I observed during my preparation is that you should do study, but according to the study also you have to do other things as well, like practice, mock test, and revision. Preparation should be as a whole, not only study. Study is a part of preparation. Proper preparation tends to crack your examination, but not only study. Suppose a certain example, you study a book of strength of material for the AMVI examination, and you go into the examination hall without solving not a single example, without attending not a single mock test, and you go in the examination. Question paper come in front of you, you see the questions, and you get confused. Number of questions get wrong because not study is only sufficient for scoring maximum. You are not able to answering the question. You don't know the nature of difficulty level of the question, and so if you know this, you must go through the thorough process of your preparation. Not only the study. Study is a part of preparation. It should be integrated with the practice, mock test, revision. All these three collectively go with you to your success. Not only the study. Study is important. Study is the most important of all these things, but not sufficient only study. You should integrate other things with the study. So all these things are the basic things while starting with the preparation of AMVI, any examination. But today we are talking about the AMVI examination of Telangana State Public Service Commission. And in the next video we are coming with the detailed strategy how to crack AMVI examination, that is Assistant Motor Vehicle Examination, TSPSC, using CIP, that is Continuous Improvement Process Technique. It's the most effective technique. It is a concept actually in the mechanical engineering, but I usually apply this in my preparation, because if you apply this concept in the preparation, your success ratio gets increased day by day and you got an edge over the other competition. To get an edge over the other, you have to do something smartly, something with the brain. You have to apply your brain and do something smart other than the competition, because most of the competitive students are doing the same things, they are performing at the same level, but just you have to go 1 point ahead of them, and to get score 1 point ahead of them, you have to do certain things in a special manner. Okay, thank you for listening my video. Please, if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe to Tulzai Career Academy. Please press the notification bell icon to get more videos, and share this channel among your friends to get updates and to inform them for the next guidance video of our AMVI. Okay, we will come with the strategy and how to crack the examination in the next video. Up till now I close this video, I stop talking, and once again I am thank you to listen this. Please do all the things which are necessary. I am revising again. Study, practice, revision, mock test are going to be discussed in the next video, but till you have to collect your syllabus, question papers, exam pattern, and stages of the examination. All these things should be in the hard copy. Okay, thank you.